ServiceFlow.ai Marketing Recipes. Episode 4. Landing Pages, SEO, and Local Marketing Recipes. Scene 1. Series Intro. Welcome to ServiceFlow.ai Marketing Recipes. In this episode, we focus on the place where marketing either becomes revenue or disappears, the landing page. A good campaign does not end with a click. It needs a page that matches the promise, answers the buyer's questions, builds trust, and creates a clear path to action. Scene 2. Episode title Episode 4 is called Landing Pages, SEO, and Local Marketing Recipes. We will look at how AI can create high-converting pages, support responsible search optimization, improve local visibility, and measure page quality beyond surface-level traffic. The goal is to convert real intent into qualified conversations, bookings, and sales. Scene 3. Landing Page Job Description. A landing page has a job description. It must match the advertisement or search result that brought the visitor there. It must explain the offer in plain language. It must reduce risk with proof, reviews, examples, pricing context, or guarantees. And it must make the next step obvious, whether that is calling, booking, requesting a quote, or starting a chat. Scene 4. High-converting page structure. The high-converting page structure starts with a specific promise, not a generic headline. Then it explains who the offer is for, what problem it solves, why the business is credible, and what the visitor should do next. ServiceFlow.ai can generate page variations for each service, audience, season, or location, while keeping the message aligned to the campaign. Scene 5. Responsible Programmatic SEO. Programmatic SEO can be powerful when every page is genuinely useful. AI can help create pages for real services, real locations, real industries, and real customer problems. But the system should not create hundreds of thin pages where only the city name changes. Quality matters. The page should include relevant proof, local context, helpful answers, and a clear conversion path. Scene 6. Local Marketing Recipe. Local marketing is a recipe of consistency and proof. The AI can help keep business profiles accurate, publish updates, organize service pages, request legitimate reviews, respond to reviews, and identify local events or seasonal opportunities. For local businesses, Google Business Profile, local pages, reviews, photos, and fast response often outperform broad social posting. Scene 7. Page Performance Scorecard. The Page Performance Scorecard should measure more than views. Conversion rate tells us how many visitors acted. Speed tells us whether the experience was smooth. Message match tells us whether the page answered the promise of the ad or search result. Quality tells us whether the action became a real opportunity. The best metric is not traffic. It is qualified demand created by the page. Scene 8, Episode CTA. Here is the takeaway. Strong marketing needs a strong destination. Use AI to create landing pages that match the offer, answer customer objections, improve local visibility, and convert interest into action. Then measure the quality of the leads, not just the number of visitors. To build this system for your business, start with a ServiceFlow.ai AI growth audit.